Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep your games or applications on the home screen on your PlayStation 5. So if you want to open up a game and keep it on the home screen here, what you need to do is go on over to your game library and then find the game that you want to open up. So I haven't played this specific game for a while, so let's go to Titanfall 2 right here and open this up. So as soon as you open up a game, you're going to notice it's going to be on the home screen now. So I have it open. Let's go back to the home screen, and then you will see it on the top here. So here is Titanfall 2. I just opened it, and it's next to Explore. Now, to keep this on the home screen, you have to press Options on it now. And then you can go on down to where it says Keep in Home, and select this. Now, this game will always be on my home screen, and it will never rotate back into my library at all. But you can do this for multiple games or applications. So I did this for my media gallery right here. So I can see my screenshots or my video clips really easy. So you can do this to multiple games and apps. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below with more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.